Hey everybody, Kelly G here. How's everybody doing today? I got my hair did by my girl Kim today, so I thought, why not go live and show you guys some lashes since my hair's all pretty. And it's a little later in the day than I normally get ready, so I thought maybe some of you guys might be around and want to see what's going on with the mascara. So if you're catching this part, you're most likely watching the replay. Oh, I did see somebody just hop on. Say hello. Let me know you're here. What are you up to on this lovely Saturday? And I'm going to just slap some lashes on here and show you guys how these things work. So Tori Belle started with a magnetic liner system, and then we added a magnetic mascara. What? So you get like this little one. It has two different sides. I'm going to show you how to use them. I'm going to put it on for you guys right now. And then you get these cute little, you get two sets of lashes. They're very, very delicate, these ones, because they actually lay right on your natural lash. Yes, it's true. Okay, so what I have on right now is one little coat of regular mascara. Normally I would put my makeup on after, like right now I have a little face of makeup. Normally I would do it after because this can get a little tiny bit messy, especially since I'm still new to applying it. But I didn't want to go completely barefaced today online, so I will just clean up with little Q-tip and stuff as we go through. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the wand part and I'm just kind of literally just like blinking it in just the root of my lashes. I'm not pulling it all the way through, except on the very, very ends. On the very, very ends, on the little lashes on the inner and outer corner, I'm pulling that through all the way, because those lashes really need, they're small, so you want to make sure they have a good coating of the mascara so that your lashes stay on nice. So again, I'm just kind of blinking. The only place you really need this on is right at the base of the lash, because the lash has little magnets on it. Whoop, on the lash band. Poked my eye a little bit there. And so that's really the only place you need this mascara. So I don't pull it all the way through the lashes. Part of the reason why I don't is because, especially right now, it's a new tube. I've only been using this for maybe used it like 8 or 10 times. So there's a lot of product. And the product, when you pull it through your lash, it kind of is thick. It's not really a mascara per se, the way you would think a mascara would be. This way you're applying it. But if you pull it all the way through the lash, I feel like it doesn't look, your natural lash doesn't blend as well with the little false lash that you're going to lay over these, because it makes them look a little clumpy if you pull it all the way through. So I'm only pulling it all the way through on the inner and outer lash. Okay, just going to let that dry a sec. A little tiny bit that needs to be cleaned up, but not bad. The first few times it was pretty messy just because I was trying to figure out what to do with it. But it's gotten less and less messy, and it's so easy to clean up. You just take a little bit of our Shake It Off remover, or really any two-phase eye makeup remover, and just do a little cleanup. I'm not going to clean these up yet though, because I have a couple of more steps that I'm going to do real quick. All right, so I'm going to take the mascara wand again and just do another little quick coat, just like I just did. Only at the lash line, and then pulling the inner and outer corners out. So people are like, well, why do you guys have the liner option and the mascara option? And with the liner, you obviously have to have a line, a dark line of lash on your face. So it's like, you know, not everybody loves that. So this is giving you a little bit more natural look. These lashes, the Mystic lash style is the only style so far that works with the mascara, but I've been using, and a lot of people have been using, the original lash styles that go with the mascara. I mean, that go with the liner with the mascara. But I'm not going to show you that today. I'm going to just show you what it looks like if you just buy the set of the Mystic lashes. Do a little cleaning up. Look, it's easy. It comes off so easy. Really, with any two-phase eye makeup remover, but I love the Shake It Off. The Shake It Off works the best. But before I had the Shake It Off, I was using the, although I don't know if I've used it with this actual one, but I was using the Almay, you know, inexpensive two-phase Almay jar, the little blue jar that you can get at like the supermarket or the pharmacy, you know? All right, so last step is you take the other side of the wand with the liner brush, okay? And then you're just gonna actually paint the top of your lashes. This is hard for me to do here because I'm right where your lash meets your lid. Okay? Now, you will get a little bit of liner on the lid, especially the first few times you do it, but it's okay. It's such a tiny, tiny, tiny touch of liner that you barely even see it once the lash is on anyway. So, and the nice thing is that kind of helps pull it right close to your lid where you want it to apply so that it goes right where you need it. I can clean that up later. All right, so we're just gonna do this one little coat here on each side. And then I'm gonna paint that inner and outer lash a little bit. Those little corner lashes, I'm just gonna paint them with a little bit of this. Just make sure that they are nice and coated. And then I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna clean it up while it's drying. Okay, looks kind of weird. This is not a pretty result yet. But I'm just gonna paint those inner and outer corners with the liner brush. And then we're just gonna let that dry. While it dries, I'm gonna clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Any co-op kids out there? All right, so I'm just gonna clean this up real quick. Not really too much to clean up. I definitely, like I said, I recommend putting these on first and then doing your makeup, because it's just, basically it's just it doesn't interfere with even putting eyeshadow on, because it's really just comes right out of your lash, so it doesn't really bother anything. Where's my little comb? I thought I had my little lash comb. I'm just gonna comb, there it is, fell on the floor. I'm gonna just comb these lashes a tiny bit, just because I want them to look nice underneath my false lash. Little selfie. Let me tell you something. Yesterday, I was in the car with Kenny. We had just left a bunch of people, and he had overheard me talking about my lashes. He turned 10 yesterday, my KJ. And he was like, in the car, and he was like, wait a minute, Mom,
Those lashes are fake? What the heck? I think he said, my mind is actually blown. Something along those lines. Okay, so it's just gonna dry. So basically you would just let this dry while you do a couple of other little pretty things to your face. I am going to put a little brow on. I'm just gonna use this quick. I like this little beauty counter dude while the mascara is drying. It's just a really light little fill of the brow. It's just easy. I like this. My girl Marissa can hook you up if you want to try these. Beauty Counter is another network marketing company. Quick, done. All right. And then I'm going to put a little bit of, let's get a cream shadow. Let's keep it super easy. Who else is obsessed with cream shadows? Are you obsessed with cream shadows? Because to me, there's just nothing easier than a little swipe of cream shadow. And I also feel like it gives dimension of looking like a lot of different mascaras. I mean, a lot of different eyeshadows on. So I love, 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 love. My favorite is my Unique Tenacious. If you're a brown eyeshadow girl, if you like brown shadow, I'm just gonna rinse my hands a little bit. A holy macaroni. This is like my go-to. Probably half of the time that I put eyeshadow on, I put on Tenacious and then I go. All right, so I'm just letting the mascara dry. Hi ladies, if anybody's on and you wanna say hello, please say hello to me. While the mascara is drying, I'm just gonna put a little effortless swipe of cream shadow. And on this side, we're almost dry. And I'm gonna slap those lashes on in 2 seconds if you guys wanna just stick around and let you can see them. All right, I'm just gonna rinse my hands real quick and we're gonna slap those lashes on. You can see what they look like. Okay. Shoot, I meant to take a before picture. Rat farts, and I didn't. So I want to take a before and after picture. So this is the Mystic Illusion Lash. Between wears, you just want to make sure that your magnets are cleaned, which is super easy. You just basically like clean your hands and then just make sure that none of the mascara pulled along with it. Just kind of scrape off any remnants that's on there. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay it right over my natural lash. And then when I have it positioned where I want it, I'm gonna give it like a little pinch to make sure it's all connected. And voila. How's it look? It's hard for me to tell because I'm looking. Let me look over here. I think it looks good. Who's that? What's up, buddy? No. Watch television on the television.
But I can't.
What is it you want to watch? Okay, fine. You're welcome. All right, so that one's pinched into place. I'm just gonna put the other one on. Doesn't it look so pretty and natural? Really nice. I love these. Pop the other bad boy on. Just gonna lay it right where I want it. On my lash, right on top of my lash. And then pinch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Pinch to grow an inch. And there they are, so lovely. Look, don't they look cute? I love them. Love, love, love them. So with this set, you can wear them like 20 to 30 times. And again, this is just the mascara with the Mystic Lash. We only have one lash style right now, which is this Mystic Lash that goes with the mascara, like I said, but some people are using, like, my girlfriend Jess is using the new Wonder Lash, which is supposed to go with the liner, with the magnetic mascara, and she says it's working great. I've used the 9 to 5s that come with the magnetic liner. One day I used that and they looked great. So what do you think? You guys like them? I mean, the nice thing is, compared to extensions, you can wear them or not wear them. Like, you can get a lot of bang for your buck, because when you get extensions, you're just wearing them all the time, and you don't have a chance to, like, you know, say you have a week where you have nothing going on, or a week, you know, during the week you don't want to wear them. You only want to wear them when you're like out on a Thursday night or out on the weekends and stuff. You can wear these every day, or you can wear them every few days, or you can wear them every, you know, couple weeks if you're not going to be wearing them a lot. Whereas with extensions, you know, you can't rub your eyes, you can't get them wet. You're not supposed to use eye makeup remover. Like, there's a lot of different restrictions with extensions beyond the cost, and then sitting for like hours on end getting them on. You have to go to a reputable place, or you risk infection, and you also risk them looking ridiculous. So with this, you know, you know what you're getting each time, and what you're getting is amazing. Look how pretty they look. Okay. Hope everybody's having a great Saturday. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think, if you think they look nice. Bye, guys.